Hello and welcome to Syed Creative World. Today's topic is how to earn free CEUs. So without delay, we can start and find out how can we earn it. Let's go. So after certification in AAPC, many of my friends ask me the same question, that is the certification expire in a year or two, or do we have any other way to extend the life of the certification? So let me tell you that, as you all know, that there is expiry of certain certification. So how we need to extend our AAPC certification? In that regard, in AAPC, we need to earn CEUs, that is continuing education units, so that we can extend our certification for more than 1 year. Okay, so let's get and let's check out online. All right. Okay, so open the website aapc.com. Go to education and select free CEUs. Yes, right here. Okay, click it. Okay, and in CEUs, here you can see that is my ID. You can see here. Okay, so go. These are in low cost CEUs. Test yourself exercises. Click it, and then you'll see the archive library here. In this, you can also see all the tests. In each test, you get one CEU. So this is 2020, March, Feb. Scroll down. That's 2019, and you can see here the tests are from September, because currently I'm recording the video in September. That's why for 1 year we can see all the tests. So I'll take this test last September. Just go on the questions and answer. Great. You have successfully completed. Okay, so let's get certificate. Click here. Okay, let's see. And if you can, yes. Okay, so this is the certificate, and here are the tracking CEUs. So in this, after the certification, you can see this window, and if you can see here that healthcare business September 2019 test I have completed. Okay, there is one CEU, and I still have to complete 33.50 CEUs. Okay, one for CPC, one for healthcare business monthly. So still, if you want to know, check your CEU. So I just show you once again the tracker here. Let's see. Let me. It's loading actually. Education CEU tracker. Click it here. Here it is. Okay, scroll down a bit. You can see it. All right. So this is how you can earn the CEUs. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead. If you have any questions regarding CEUs, so you can just comment me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.